Have you ever wondered how yoga can improve your flexibility? Welcome to a journey of discovery and transformation. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of yoga and flexibility. Yoga, an ancient practice with roots in Indian philosophy, has been embraced by millions around the globe for its ability to enhance physical and mental well-being. But what about flexibility? It's a common misconception that you need to be naturally flexible to do yoga. In reality, yoga is a path to flexibility. It's about stretching your muscles, yes, but it's also about stretching your mind. It's about finding strength in softness, balance in movement, and peace in tension. Yoga doesn't just improve your flexibility, it strengthens your muscles, calms your mind, and nurtures your spirit. It's a holistic approach to health and wellness that benefits your body, mind, and soul. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of yoga and how it can enhance your flexibility. Yoga isn't just one size fits all. In fact, there are many different styles of yoga to explore. Each one has its own unique characteristics and benefits, and they all contribute to flexibility in their own special way. Let's start with Hatha Yoga. It's often referred to as the mother of all yoga, as it's the foundation for many other styles. Hatha focuses on basic postures and slower movements, making it a perfect choice for beginners. It emphasizes proper alignment and mindful breathing, which can improve your flexibility while also calming your mind. Next up is Ashtanga Yoga. This style is more physically demanding, following a specific sequence of postures. It's a vigorous workout that builds strength, stamina, and flexibility. If you're into a more structured and challenging practice, Ashtanga might be the one for you. Then we have Vinyasa Yoga, often called flow yoga, because of the smooth way the poses run together. It's almost like a dance, with your breath guiding you from one pose to the next. Vinyasa is great for building flexibility as it encourages continuous movement, which can help to lengthen and stretch your muscles. Last but not least, we have Restorative Yoga. This style is all about relaxation and healing. The poses are held for longer periods of time, often with the support of props like bolsters and blankets. Restorative yoga is perfect for those looking to unwind and release tension, but it's also good for flexibility. Holding poses for longer periods allows your muscles to relax deeply, which can help to increase your range of motion over time. So there you have it: Hatha, Ashtanga, Vinyasa, and Restorative. 4 distinct styles of yoga, each with its own benefits and approach to flexibility. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting your journey, there's a style out there that can help you enhance your flexibility while also nurturing your mind and body. Remember, each style has its own charm, and you can choose the one that suits your needs and preferences. Now, let's dive into some yoga poses that can help boost your flexibility. First up, we have the classic downward dog. This pose is renowned for its ability to stretch the hamstrings, calves, and arches of your feet. To get into this pose, start on your hands and knees. Then, lift your knees off the floor, pushing your hips up towards the ceiling. Try to straighten your legs and lower your heels to the floor. Remember to keep your head between your arms and not hanging down. You'll feel a gentle stretch running along your spine and down the backs of your legs. Next, let's move on to the pigeon pose. This pose is a hip opener and can be particularly beneficial for people who spend a lot of their day sitting. To get into pigeon pose, start in downward dog, and then bring one knee forward, placing it behind your wrist. Extend your other leg behind you, keeping your hips square to the front of the mat. You can stay upright, or for a deeper stretch, fold forward, extending your arms in front of you. This pose is great for boosting flexibility in the lower body. And finally, we have the forward bend. This pose is excellent for stretching the hamstrings and calves and can also help to calm the mind. Start by standing tall, then bend forward from your hips, not your waist. Try to keep your knees straight, but don't lock them. You can touch the floor or grab your elbows with opposite hands. Do what feels comfortable for you. This pose encourages the lengthening of your spine and helps to stretch and strengthen your thighs. These poses are just a starting point. There are many more poses which you can explore to boost your flexibility. Remember, yoga is not about being the most flexible. It's about connecting with your body and mind and improving your overall well-being. So, take your time, listen to your body, and most importantly, enjoy your practice. You've learned about the benefits of yoga and different poses to improve flexibility. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Yoga is not just a series of poses or a workout routine. It's a journey, a personal one that you embark on. A journey towards better health, greater flexibility, and improved mental well-being. It might seem daunting at first, but remember, it's not about perfecting a pose or becoming an overnight yogi. No, it's about taking that first step, making that initial commitment, and then keeping at it. Consistency is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is flexibility. It takes time, patience, and practice. What's wonderful about yoga is that you can do it anywhere and at any time. You don't need a gym membership or expensive equipment. All you need is a quiet space and a yoga mat. You can start with just a few minutes a day, gradually increasing as you get more comfortable and confident with the poses. As you go about your day, try to incorporate yoga into your routine. Start your morning with a few stretches to wake up your body and calm your mind. During your lunch break, take a moment to practice deep breathing. After work, unwind with a relaxing yoga sequence. And remember, it's not a competition. Everyone's yoga journey is unique. Don't compare your progress with others. Instead, focus on your own journey, on how far you've come, on how much better you feel. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Be patient with yourself. Yoga is a practice of self-love and self-care. It's about listening to your body, respecting its limits, and nurturing its needs. So don't rush, take your time, enjoy the journey. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your yoga journey today and see the difference it can make in your life.